Hey everybody, it's Dylan. I have my Macmini M4 or something like that, but I wanted to get a mount for it and thing here. So this here is a shelf dock for it. So let's check this out and see what this looks like here and see what we get. Take everything out of it first and I'll show you guys what it is. So this is going to be the dock right there. So look at that. So it'll go, I think it's going to go kind of upside down on it. Like that in there somehow. Like that. It's going to be how it's going to go. No, maybe not. Maybe it goes the other way. Maybe it goes this way. There we go. Like that, right? And then this is going to connect up into there to give it the connections it needs for the stuff. There we go. So there, now it's going to be connected up. It's going to give us an additional HDMI port, some USB ports, and on the other side here, we've got 3 more USB ports, a SD card slot, and a micro SD card slot. So we have all those different slots and everything like that in there. We also have this here slot here, which is going to give us a memory port so we can put in our card. I have an 8 terabit card that I would stick in there as well. In here as well, it looks like we are given a plethora of screws and screwdrivers. This is the screwdriver and thing to put the little memory card in. We are given these screws here, accessories of installation under the desk, and this is going to help us do that as well. So let's see. So this comes with 2 of these. We look at pictures. We're going to go by the picture and see how it goes. So it looks like when it's going down like this, we can put these will be somehow facing down like that. It'll give us some shelf area like that. Interesting. Well, it'll be what I would like to do with this is mount it to the back of my monitor, kind of like I have on this one here. You can see I have a Windows one. It connects up to the back of the monitor, and so that's what if the goal is with this one here, and that's what this is going to hopefully give me the ability to do here. So I just need to set that all up and put it on there. It looks like it's going to be this way. It's going to be the other way. It's going to be like this is going to be how it goes on there. And it'll screw into there. I guess that's what all these screw places are for in here. And all these screws and things like that are going to be for that as well. So how cool. So we'll have to figure this all out. I'll show you guys what it looks like when I get it going. Okay, so let me show you guys how this can be installed. I'm just going to show you it right now. I was able to figure out these little side pieces here. They just go on. They have these little screws kind of things that you're given, and you can screw them onto the back. And then remember, the computer will go in as such like that. So it'll be like this. Your card will be in there. These here, I have to take this off to show you what I'm going to do. But then you have a shelf on either side, so you can put some of your USB stuff, USB-C stuff, whatever, on the sides of it. But then this can go and it can hang from there where your existing thing is, and it'll have the computer in there. And then you can have things next to it on the shelves. And you need to have that off. I was going to show you because you have the screw places here, and you have screws. These screws here will go through it there, so you need to have the computer off to do that. You can also, alternatively, if you'd like to, you can just mount this up underneath the, it'll look funny with this particular shelf this direction, but you can change the direction of it around. I could change it like this, like that, right? And then I could mount these screws. I can use these same screws, mount it up under my desk, which is probably how I'm going to do this one just for me, because it'll fit way better that way. And then once it's mounted up under the desk, I have it like this. You see all these little screw holes here. I'll just use 2 of them to mount it up there. See, then it's just mounted up like that. And then I can slide my computer into it like that under the desk, and then all my wires can just go into it from there. This will plug into this back here. Everything will just wire in, and it'll be under the desk and just mounted and there. And what's good is you still have your access to your power button. I know that's always a pain in the butt sometimes when some of these different docks, they hide it. So that's going to be cool. So then I can have that there. Under there, I can have my shelf. I can put my hub or my power ports there. I can even zip tie things to it because it's got these little holes in there. So this is a really nice little setup here. So really well thought out. And I like the way it has these little rubber things here, even so it'll give me a little bit of space for some airflow in there. It won't just be smushed up against my bottom of my desk. So I'm going to probably install it in there, and that'll be hanging from my desk instead of from there. I decided this was just too heavy. It's going to pull the monitor down. So that's why I'm going to go under the desk with it. So really cool. Thumbs up.